Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on TaxDome. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in TaxDome login. As the search result, you can see on the first option TaxDome login, or you can type in app.taxdome.com. Click on the link. It will take you to this login portal over here. Enter the email address of your account and in the password section, enter your password. To confirm your password what you typed, you can click on this eye icon over here. If you forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking here forgot password. Once you do that, click on the sign in button. You will be able to log in into your TaxDome account. And if you want to create a new account on TaxDome, you can click over here sign up button. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.